Okay, today I would like to introduce two guns with two different brands. For the top one is a Marui G36. It's made in Japan and have a semi-upgraded with 6mm mantle push. And the second one is system. It's a Systema gearbox with turbo set. Okay. Then we will try to use this 9.6 battery to test two different speed of this gun. Okay. Okay, this is a Marui semi upgraded from 6mm push. And then this is a Systema gearbox with turbo set. And it is difficult to disassemble, so just take a look. It's okay. Okay. Okay.